I need to file my tax returns this weekend. And you can't believe how much money I have to pay as income tax. I don't think I will have much money left after that. What are you talking about? Don't you have any investments that helps you save on your taxes? I do have a few, but I can't block my money for years. These investments have long lock-in periods. And I may not get better returns. And I need the money in another 2 to 3 years to buy a house. Then you should invest in ELSS mutual funds. What are ELSS mutual funds? Are they like fixed deposits? Not at all. ELSS funds are equity-linked saving schemes. These are not just a tax-saving instruments. They grow your wealth too. So you not only save on taxes, but appreciate your wealth too. Really? Tell me more about it, please. Well, under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, investments in ELSS mutual funds up to Rs 1,50,000 every year are exempted from your taxable income. That's a saving of up to Rs 46,800 every year in taxes. Besides, ELSS funds give you potentially good returns as well. So, your investment appreciates too. So you mean that while I pay my taxes properly, I can actually save money from it and grow it into wealth as well? That's fantastic! Exactly. That's because ELSS Mutual Fund invests in equity and equity-linked instruments of companies of different market capitalizations, so that you may get a better return on your investment than other tax-saving instruments. Sounds too good to be true. But then ELSS must have long lock-in periods, I'm sure. That's the best part. ELSS mutual funds have the shortest lock-in period of just 3 years. Compare that to a tax-saving fixed deposit which has a lock-in of 5 years, PPF with a lock-in of 15 years, and life insurance in which lock-ins can be more than 5 years. But how do I invest in ELSS funds? Just like any mutual fund, you can either do a lump sum investment or via SIPs, where you won't feel the burden of investing a larger amount in one shot. But then again, isn't my income from ELSS subject to capital gains tax? Luckily for you, long-term capital gains are tax-free up to Rs 1 lakh. And on top of that, ELSS funds have no entry or exit loads. Thank you so much. I know where to put my money now. Brought to you by UTI Swatantra, an investor education initiative. To know more, log on to www.utiswatantra.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.